Welcome students. Now we are going to discuss this pattern number 4. So let's go through the coding. This is pattern number 4. Output window is there. So in this loop, before we were doing the loop pattern in pattern number 1 and 2, there we were using here space. Okay, but we are using here hash. If you want to use any other symbol, you can use that symbol also. So first loop is for the height, second loop is for this hash pattern. Okay, and after that third loop is for this star pattern. Okay, you can use any other symbol also. So this is the coding of the pattern number 4, and I hope you like this video. If you like, please share this video, and if you are having any query, please post your comment. Thank you very much.